What if I told you that you're probably not lazy? Millions of people blame themselves every day, when the real problem is how their brain is wired. Science shows that what feels like laziness is often your brain trying to save energy. Here's what's really happening. Your brain is designed to conserve energy. Thousands of years ago, saving energy helped humans survive. That's why your brain naturally prefers the couch over the gym and social media over difficult work. Every time you check social media, watch short videos, or eat junk food, your brain gets a quick dopamine reward. Over time, normal tasks like studying or working feel boring because they don't provide the same instant excitement. Sleeping for 8 hours doesn't always mean you're well rested. Poor sleep quality, stress, dehydration, or even too little movement during the day can leave you feeling tired and unmotivated. Instead of waiting for motivation, make the first step incredibly small. Open the book, put on your shoes, work for just 2 minutes. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. So the next time you call yourself lazy, remember this. Your brain is simply following old survival instincts. Once you understand how it works, you can build habits that work with your brain instead of against it. If you enjoy science-backed psychology and health documentaries, hit subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.